Kelly. I'm here at Nycresistor, and this is my real-life Katamari ball project. Katamari is a game where you roll stuff up into a ball, and that's a lot more fun if you have a real ball instead of joysticks. The way it works is it reads from an optical mouse that goes into the Arduino, which is then powering a digital potentiometer that is running the PlayStation controller, which I gutted. So the Arduino is a really easy to use setup for programming a microcontroller. It is an open source project. You can buy the Arduino online. So that is what our mouse is going into. It's then driving this digital potentiometer chip over here on the breadboard. And that's wired up. Basically all of this side is going into the Arduino, which is controlling it. And a digital potentiometer just does what a regular potentiometer does, which is varies resistance across circuit. So that's how the PlayStation controller gets its input, is it takes that resistance value, or actually how much current is going through it, and converts that into the signal it sends the PlayStation. So for this, instead of doing that analog with the sticks, we're doing it digitally with this little chip here that's being driven by the Arduino here. So for this, the original plan was to use a giant yoga ball, so it would be like a real-life Katamari. Unfortunately, the physics of that didn't work out so well. The yoga ball is made of rubber, and it's kind of squishy, and it didn't really want to roll nicely on these bearings that we have here. So we went with a smaller steel ball, which rolls quite nicely on here. And actually, surprisingly, the mouse picks up on it pretty well. It doesn't seem to have a problem with the mirrored surface. So it actually is like a giant trackball. You can learn more about Arduinos at arduino.cc. You can learn more about this project in particular at my blog, which is KellbotsKatamariBallProject853. And you can learn more about Nycresistor. It's nycresistor.com.
And we have classes.
And we have classes.